Good day, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like this video. I make videos like this every week. Today we're going to be discussing about an industrial meat mincer or a meat grinder. This is the size 12. The size 12, this is the smaller size for the industrial. The size 12, the size 22, the size 32. Thus, the brand is MINCER, as you can see. MINCER is known for its quality. It's available for sale on a good deal. You can contact me, WhatsApp the same number. They're both on WhatsApp. We can deliver to you, and we will be able to all states in Nigeria as well. It's almost difficult to tell if it's the smaller size. It's because this particular brand, the smaller size, this is how it is. The smaller size for the brand is bigger than the normal size for the size 12 MINCER product.